Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today, I'm super excited to dive into a new sharpening adventure. What you see is a shipment that I have been waiting for a long time. Inside is something that I really wanted to try, because I really liked the reviews of the product and the feedback from colleagues. Alright, let's get into the package and let's see what's inside from TSprof. Before I show you what's in the package, you should know that this is not a sponsored video. I purchased the product and will give my personal opinion about it. And here are my new 4 TSprof alpha stones. I watched and heard a lot about them before I decided to buy them. I decided to buy 4 grids, 9,000, 2,000, 5,000, and 11,000. And I can't wait to try them. TSprof alpha diamond stones are unique resin-bonded stones with a smooth surface and high wear resistance, designed to handle any steel up to 70 HRC. They're perfect for sharpening and polishing cutting edges. They are really very smooth to the touch. I have never touched stones like that before. In Bulgaria, they can only be purchased online from the website tsprof.eu. The shipment arrives within a week, without duty, because the website is in Europe. Over 300 euros there is free shipping. The resin bond is relatively soft compared to metal or vitrified bonds. This softness allows the bond to wear away at a controlled rate, continually exposing new, sharp diamond edges to the work surface. They are widely used for polishing and fine grinding applications, where a high-quality finish is needed. Common uses include sharpening knives and tools, particularly those made from high carbide or tough steels that are difficult to sharpen with traditional stones. I was able to test them on several different blades, and my personal conclusion is that the TSprof alpha stones are exceptional for the finishing part of sharpening. They are truly on another level. I have not had the pleasure of working with stones like these before, and I think I will have to get a few more. Despite being extremely fine to the touch, the stones start working immediately with the first stroke on the blade. They remove metal aggressively, regardless of the grid. The stone turns black from the metal removed. The scratches are very uniform and even. There is great feedback in the sharpening process. The manufacturer's recommendation is not to use pressure when working. The result after using them is an extremely good polish. At the same time, the cutting edge does not lose its aggression and has bite. Even after a stone 11,000 grid, the cutting edge remains aggressive. An almost clean and perfect mirror is obtained. However, perfectionists who insist on not having a single visible scratch on the mirror will have to switch to a paste or suspension. Personally, I really like the results with them. As for the sharpness, I'll leave it to you to judge from the next shots. The stones are really great. For the final stage of sharpening, at least at this stage, I haven't seen anything better.